everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 3rd to the 7th of October 2022 on Monday. Mpho takes on his attack with words instead of weapons. Nkosi Yabo makes his ex-lover an irresistible offer. The DL's help is enlisted for a mystery mission on Tuesday. When a man decides to get into shape, a woman starts to worry. It's no easy mission being a rocky cop in a world of thugs. Kabisi doesn't like what he sees at the wedding rehearsal on Wednesday. Ayanda reveals the predicament she is in. Thulani has a plan to help the police get what they want. Chaos breaks out when the wedding takes an unexpected turn on Thursday. Nkosi Yabo proves he is very bit the charmer he always was. Everything hangs in the balance as Captain Solo is presented with his gift. Tracy is desperate for Mazwi to tell her the truth on Friday. Sipho breaks the latest Moroka scandal on Flying News. Lucy finds evidence which confirm her suspicions. Pele frets when there is no words from inside the prison. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.